Okay, hi students, good morning. Now today we are going discussing definite integration, which is very important for JEE and CET. Okay, so far we have discussed indefinite integration. Okay, now I am going to discussing definite. Definite means you will get exactly answer. For example, integration of f of x dx equal to capital F of x plus c. Capital F of x plus c. Yes. Now integration of a to b, this is not exactly because of c, it is called indefinite. Now integration of a to b f of x dx equal to, this is called lower limit and this is called upper limit. So first you find indefinite. What is the indefinite value? F of x plus c. Let this integration is f of x plus c. Now this is lower limit with respect of x equal to a and x equal to b. Apply upper limit f of b plus c minus f of a plus c. Get cancel, the answer is f of b minus f of a. So it is exactly answer, there is no c here. C cancelled. So this type of questions are called definite. Means it represents some area, particular area between a and b lines. Okay. So now here some problems we can't solve by using indefinite. Such problems we can use by using definite. So there are separate properties are there in the definite integration. So I am going discussing properties. First of all, integration of a to b f of x dx equal to, if you want to change the limits b to a f of x dx, then sign changes minus. Is the first property. Next, the second property, integration of a to b f of x dx equal to integration of a to c. C is there between a and b interval. C belongs to closed interval a comma b. Then a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Next, integration of 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. X replaced by sum of the limits minus x. Integration of a to b f of x dx equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is sum of the limits, x replaced by sum of the limits minus x. Next, integration of minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even, and 0 if f of x is odd. Okay, that means even and odd. Even means f of minus x equal to f of x. Odd means f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. The value is 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. These are properties. By using these properties, definite, the compulsory question in JEE and as well as CET. CET 3-4 question they will ask. Okay. If it is comes limits, then use these properties. And in this property, some standard results are there. Standard result that is there in the material, just you can check it. Standard result here, the standard result, just few I am going to discussing here. Standard, because in a CET one of the in the standard result every year one question compulsory, every year. Okay, first one is integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. This is we have discussed in the theory. Okay, we have proved that also this is the 5 marks question. Okay, Yes. Now, sorry for the mistake, for the disturbance. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta equal to answer is pi by 8 log 2. This is we have proved in theory. Okay. So just how we have done, once again I am repeating here. Actually, it is not right time. The proof is not necessary, but we have done in theory. Okay. So just you remember this formula. For CET compulsory you should remember this formula. For JEE you can solve it, no problem, but even JEE also better you can remember, because these are standard result. Better every day you can go through this. How to solve? Let this is I, in place of theta 90 minus pi by 4 minus theta, then add 2, you will get last answer is pi by 8 log 2. Next question is pi by 4 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus cot theta d theta is also pi by 8 log 2. For these both problems the answer is same. Here log of 1 plus cot theta d theta, but limits pi by 4 to pi by 2. Here 0 to pi by 4. Yes. Next standard result, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx, 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. Both are equal. Yes. Because by property 0 to a, x replaced by pi by 2 minus x cos x, so log cos x, both are same, which is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2, minus pi by 2 log 2, important. Minus, if sometimes we can write like this also, pi by 2 into log of 1 by 2. This is also we have proved in theory. Because why I am telling this, it takes time to solve these problems. So in CET if comes, no, it takes time. So that's why don't waste 2 to 3 minutes, just you go through that, remember this formula, like you think as a formula this is. Okay, because these are every year compulsory question from the standard result. Right. Next question is integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 by sin x plus cos x dx equal to root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. This is the most important. 0 to pi by 2 1 by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x dx equal to pi by 2ab. Pi by 2ab. It was asked in JEE and CET also. Next, integration of 0 to pi x sin x dx by sec x plus cos x equal to integration of 0 to pi x sin x dx by 1 plus cos square. For these both the answer is pi square by 4. This is, you copy it. If you have material, then you can go through that. Next, integration of 0 to pi x tan x dx by sec x plus tan x equal to 0 to pi x, tan means sin by cos x, sin x dx, cos here 1 by cos x and by cos x get cancelled, so 1 plus sin x is also answer is same, which is equal to pi into pi minus 2 by 2, pi into pi minus 2 by 2. These are most and most important. Okay, and one more also there, integration of 0 to infinite dx by x plus root of x square minus 1 whole power n equal to 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx by secant x plus tan x whole raised to n dx, which is equal to n by n square minus 1. That also it was asked. And last problem is, last formula, standard result, integration of a to b root of x minus a by b minus x dx equal to a to b root of b minus x by x minus a dx equal to pi by 2 into b minus a. This is, you can copy it and go through that. Next, let me discuss one important method, integration 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx by f of alpha, here alpha plus f of beta equal to, answer is pi by 4. When alpha is, for example, cos, then beta is co-function sine. If alpha is a sine, vice versa, beta is cos. If alpha is a tan x, then beta is cot x. If alpha is cot x, then beta is tan x. If alpha is sec x, then beta is cosec x. If alpha is cosec x, then beta is sec x. In all these cases, what is the answer is pi by 4. One example I am going to discussing here, integration 0 to pi by 2. Here I am taking sin x dx by, here sin x, here sin co-function cos dx. What is the answer is pi by 4 only. How we have done? By using property. Let me this take as I, use property 0 to a, f of, in place of x write 90 minus x, and 90 minus x is cos x by cos x by sin x. Then this and this both add it, you will get 2i left side, and here numerator this plus this get cancelled, 1 dx, which is equal to x, limit 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2. So the answer is I is equal to pi by 4, like this. So by seeing only within fraction of second you can identify the answer. Yes. So here problems, first problem is in material 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx divided by f of sin x plus f of cos x, which is equal to sin cos, finish. The answer is pi by 4. Next, second one, integration of 0 to pi by 2 cosec power 2 by 3x, cosec power 2 by 3x. Tell me, can you know here? Secant, because cosecant x is secant. So is it contained this method? Yes. Cosec co-function is sec. Then answer is pi by 4. Limits also 0 to pi by 2. Understood? Next, like this type of problems I am writing first of all. So 10th question is integration of 0 to pi by 2 e power sin x dx by e power sin x plus e power cos x. Answer will be pi by 4. Sin cos. 11th one is integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos power 3 by 2x, cos power 3 by 2x plus sin power 3 by 2x. The answer is pi by 4. Cos sin. Next, 13th question, 0 to pi by 2 sec x dx by sec x plus cosec x. The answer is pi by 4. Next, 15th question, 0 to pi by 2 root of cot x dx by root of tan x plus root of cot x dx. The answer is pi by 4. Here if it comes sin cos, if it comes cosec sec, in all cases the answer is pi by 4. Understood this type of model? If it is this 0 to pi by 2 f of alpha dx by f of alpha plus f of beta, where alpha and beta we have taken those. If it comes this function here, the answer is, in all cases the answer is pi by 4. Yes. Next one, integration of 0 to pi by 2 integration of 0 to pi by 2. Next method is integration of 0 to pi by 2 means same concept, that only a cos x plus b sin x by cos x plus sin x dx equal to, okay, this is also similar that model only, cos sin sin. If it is sec cosec sec, like this. In all cases the answer, tell me what is the difference here, coefficients. Yes, let me take this is I. So tell me, by applying property we will get a cos 90 minus x sin x, sin 90 minus x cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. If you add this we will get 1 plus 2, so 2i will get left side, 0 to pi by 2, denominator is sin x plus cos x. Numerator, if you add this, a cos x plus b cos x, a sin x plus b sin x, what is the common? A plus b, take common, sin x plus cos x, right? This get cancelled. A plus b integration of 1 dx is x, limit 0 to pi by 2. We will get here pi by 2 into a plus b. Tell me, 2i is equal to this is, therefore I is equal to pi by 4 a plus b. What is the answer of this? Pi by 4 a plus b, where a and b are coefficient of that. For example, if it is minus here, minus pi by 4 plus or minus, right? Now integration of 0 to pi by 2, 2 cos x, 2 tan x plus 3 cot x by tan x plus cot x dx. Is it contain this formula? Yes. In place of cos, tan was there, tan is there, tan cofunction cot, tan cot, like this, sec cosec, like this. In all cases, in this all cases, the same formula. Tell me, pi by 4 a plus b, 2 plus 3 5, so 5 by 4. Next one, question number 5. Integration 0 to pi by 2 5 tan x minus 3 cot x dx divided by tan x plus cot x. Okay, 5 tan x minus 3 cot x by tan x plus cot x, same method. A 5 a plus b minus 3 into pi by 4. So 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2, the answer is. Next, 0 to a dx by x plus root of a square minus x square. Let x is equal to sin theta. Then dx is equal to cos theta into d theta. When you use the substitution method, limits will be changed. Lower limit, if x is 0, then upper limit also theta is 0. Upper limit, x is a, then x is a. Here x is equal, you take a sin theta, then a cos theta d theta. Yes, x is equal to a by a cancel, sin theta is 1, theta is pi by 2. Apply here, 0 to pi by 2 dx equal to a cos theta d theta divided by x is equal to a sin theta plus root of a square minus a square sin square theta. A square get cancelled, 1 minus cos square theta. A 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta means cos square theta. So 0 to pi by 2 a cos theta d theta by a sin theta plus a cos theta. A take common here, cos theta d theta sin theta plus cos theta, which is in the form of standard formula. Tell me the answer is a cancel pi by 4. Pi by 4. Next one, integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. Is it contain first model? Yes. 0 to pi by 2, take up here cos by sin, so sin x by sin x plus cos x. sin x co-function here, so answer is pi by 4. Next one is 7th question. Integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3. Yes, here pi by 6 to pi by 3 cos cube x dx by sin cube x plus cos cube x. See, if it is 0 to pi by 2, what is the answer is pi by 4, but not 0 to pi by 2 here. The limits are, lower limit is pi by 6, upper limit is pi by 3. Yes, so this is in the form of integration of a to b, f of alpha by f of alpha plus f of beta dx, this form. How to solve this is, let this is I. Again, if you apply f of sum of the limits a plus b, here pi by 6 plus pi by 3, 90 minus x is cos become a sin. Here we will get f of beta, here f of beta plus f of alpha. When you add this, both will be cancelled, numerator and denominator, 1 dx will get. That means x limits a to b, upper limit b minus a, so the answer is b minus a by 2. This is the shortcut, b minus a by 2. Okay, when you forget the shortcut, then you go through like this. So this also I have done within 1 minute only. Okay, if you want within fraction of second, you remember the formula. Tell me b minus a by 2. What is the b? A to b. B is pi by 3 minus pi by 6 by 2. So pi by 6 by 2, pi by 12 is the answer. Next, question number 8. Integration of 0 to infinite dx by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square dx. So 1 plus x square is there, means let x is equal to tan theta. Then limits and lower and upper limit changes. Lower limit, if put x is equal 0, then theta is tan 0, theta is 0. If x equal 0, then theta is 0. Upper limit, if x is equal to infinite, then theta is pi by 2, tan end is infinite. So integration 0 to pi by 2 dx equal to secant square theta d theta, secant square theta d theta by 1 plus tan theta, then 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. This get cancelled. So tell me, 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus tan theta, sin by cos comes up, cos theta d theta by sin theta plus cos theta. What is the answer is pi by 4. Okay. Next one, 9th question is integration of 0 to pi by 2n dx by 1 plus cot power nx. Let nx equal to t. Then lower limit here, lower limit is 0, upper limit here x is equal to pi by 2n get cancelled, pi by 2 here. Dx is equal to dt by n and 1 plus cot power n theta. So this is 1 by n, 0 to pi by 2, this is comes up sin power n theta by sin power n theta plus cos power n theta d theta, which is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4. Next 10, 11, 12 we have discussed. Next 12th question is integration of pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8 cos x by cos x plus sin x dx. 0 to this is, I said just now, formula a to b, f of alpha plus f of beta. Tell me the answer is b minus a by 2. So b 3 pi by 8 minus a pi by 8 by 2. 3 pi by 8 minus pi by 8, 2 pi by 8. 2 pi by 8 means pi by 4. Pi by 4 by 2 means pi by 8. This is the answer. Next 14th. Integration of This is alpha to pi by 4 minus alpha cot x by tan x plus cot x. Here if alpha is 0, tell me the answer is 0 to pi by 4. If alpha is 0, tell me 0 to pi by 2, this is not pi by 4, pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Then cot x by tan x plus cot x. Tell me the answer is pi by 4. Finish the answer. 15th we have discussed. Question number 16. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 3 power secant cube x by 3 power secant cube x plus 3 power cosec cube x dx. Tell me f of alpha plus f of beta. Sec cofunction is cosec and limits are 0 to pi by 2. The answer is pi by 4. Next one, question number 17. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. This is the formula. 0 to pi by 2 a sin x plus b cos x dx by sin x plus cos x equal to pi by 4 into a plus b. Pi by 4 into a plus b. Just today only we have proved this one. Let this is I. Again we'll get I. Okay, add it a plus b pi by 2. 2 comes this side. A plus b pi by 4. So tell me a 2 plus b 3 into pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 is the answer. Next, question number 18. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 3 sec x plus 5 cosec x by sec x plus cosec x dx. Same model because sine cofunction cos, sec cofunction is cosec x. Use the same formula. Pi by 4 a 3 plus b 5. So answer is 8 by 4 means 2 pi. The answer is within 5 seconds we can get the answer. It is. When you forget this formula, then solve it. Let I next use property and add it. Yes, question number 19. 0 to a f of a minus x dx equals option 1 integration of 0 to a f of x dx. This is a property only direct. Integration of 0 to a f of minus x dx. This is the answer. 0 to f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx by using property.